VC. That was my unboxing of the Ravel Piano Concerto in G major from the Elecrtic Recording Company. And I'm just going to do a really quick review. I just opened it, I listened to it. Really, it sounds amazing. It sounds like most other Columbia SAX from that era. It's so natural sounding. The piano is very forward, just very natural sounding. It just sounds like a piano in the room, no reverb, really probably no EQ or anything. And the playing on it is beautiful. Samson, François. So this one was conducted by André Cluytens from the Paris Conservatoire, and originally released in 1960. The second movement on this one, the slow movement, is just so beautiful. The really big orchestral parts just kind of have that SAX sounds a little distant, but which is nice, makes for a really nice depth and width. And it sounds so great. I haven't listened yet to the second side, the concerto in D major for the left hand, because I wanted to listen to this one right afterwards, which is another version of the Ravel Concerto in G. This one by Munch, the Boston Symphony Orchestra. This is a 1996, I believe, Classic Records reissue. The original was released in 1959 on RCA. And the soloist on this one is Nicole Enoy Schweitzer. This version is more dynamic and louder and punchier in the orchestral sections. But in the slow section, with a lot of solo piano, the piano tone is just not as great as the Elecrtic Recording Company one. So each one kind of has its pluses and minuses. Overall, though, this one sounds amazing. And, you could get this for like $35. I think even Acoustic Sounds has them new in stock right now. Incredible sounding. An original probably would cost around the same amount of money if you can find one in good condition, which is hard. It would be on the original Shaded Dog label. An original of this would cost about $1,200 if you could even find it in this condition. There's one of these ERC versions available on Discogs right now for, I think it's $889, something like that. Incredible record. Okay, so that was my super quick review of the ERC and the Living Stereo. I would highly recommend either of them. Just such a beautiful French impressionistic piece. Either recording would be amazing in your collection. And that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.